Hello everyone, I am Yatin Dhakal and this is our first tutorial. Today we are painting a seascape of an ocean coming inside a cave. And if you are ready, then let's begin to paint. For this painting, I have used A4 paper and the colors are black, purple, white, green, red, yellow and blue. Similarly, I used these 4 pointed and flat brushes. By using the light brown, I have drawn the basic outlines separating the cave, sky and the ocean. Now let's put some pure yellow above the horizon and apply some pinkish tone above it. We can make the pink by mixing the red and the white. Let's blend this quickly by using the dry brush and apply some orange color on remaining part of the sky. I think it's done for now, so let's move towards the ocean. Here I am using the light blue, which is a mixture of white and the blue. And let's put some orange here. This is a reflection of the sky. And here comes soil. Since this is far away from us, we should use the purple color. And let's add a lighthouse here. Now I am filling the remaining part of the ocean by using the bluish purple. Let's quickly fill this out and blend it by using the dry brush. Now I am applying the darkest tone to fill the remaining part of the cave. Instead of the pure black, I am mixing the black with a blue and touch of yellow. This makes our cave pop out and look more realistic. Make sure that you won't leave any white part on your paper, and then we will proceed to our next step. In this step, we will be further detailing our painting to make it look more realistic. Here the darker cloud is bluish purple and the lighter is pinkish purple. You can add as much clouds as you like, but don't press your brush too hard on the paper. This is the area from where the sun rays are coming. So make it lightest by using the white color. Let's take the orange color we have and put some highlight on the hills. I am also highlighting the light facing area of this tiny lighthouse by using the pure white. I think the hill looks empty, so let's add some trees on it. Now it's a time to put some tides on the sea. I am using the pure white to the tides which are nearer to us and the sky blue to the tides which are far away from us. I am also putting a small stone here and the bluish green color below the tides. This blue green color shows how shallow the tide is. Since the cliff blocks the sunlight coming, I am putting the darker blue on this side. This is the area where the sunlight is hitting. So I am using the orange color to highlight the cave and white at the edges to make it more lighter. Here I am using my pure white to highlight the tiles so that it will glow. And let's put some orange reflection near the horizon. Since the water has hit the rock, I am using light blue to create more disturbance and foams around the rock. Here I am using the white and yellow to make our water glow. And also add some tiny droplets above the tides. It makes your tide look so realistic. Now let's add some sun rays here. I am using the pure white so that it will glow more. Here I am adding the reddish purple to show the deeper part of the sea and bluish green to show the shallow part. Also highlight this part by using the purple color. Now I am putting the darker tone we have mixed earlier. Remember, it's not a pure black. Using the same color, draw the outlines of the tides. Make this part lighter by using the orange, but not lighter than the cave. I think there should be more foams on the tide, so let's use our white and add some foams on our tide. Now it's time to detail the cave, so take the darkest color we have mixed and put it all over the cave. Mix some bluish tone and put highlight on the cave. Since these are the uplights, they shouldn't be too lighter. Here I am adding the reflection of hills, lighthouse and also putting some foams. But this step is completely up to you. Take your time and add as much detail as you want. After all, this is your own painting. Okay guys, I think this painting looks good. Thank you for being till the last and I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you enjoyed our video, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment. We will meet with a new painting. Until then, bye bye.